In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Imagine Loop. By the end, you'll feel confident turning your ideas into crisp images or short videos using Grok's Imagine workspace, with clear choices for quality, length, and framing. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. This takes you to the main site where all the creative tools live. On the left side of the screen, click Imagine. This opens the creation area where you'll craft your prompt and choose how your result is generated. Think of this as your studio. Prompt at the center, controls along the top or side, and a preview area for results. Click into the field that says Type to Imagine. This is where you describe what you want. Be specific and visual. Mention the subject, environment, style, mood, and any defining details. For example, a cinematic city street at dusk, neon reflections on wet pavement, soft depth of field. Clear direction helps the model deliver what you expect. You'll see options for media type. Click on Image to view the still image mode so you know it's available. This is useful when you only need a single frame, like a concept shot or thumbnail. Now click on Video for now. Video mode will animate your prompt, creating motion that matches the style and scene you described. It's perfect for quick story beats, loops, or dynamic previews. Next, choose a resolution. Higher resolutions look sharper but can take longer to generate. Pick what suits your use case. Lower for quick drafts, higher for portfolio-ready visuals. If you're posting to platforms that compress heavily, a balanced mid-range setting is often a smart choice. Choose a duration. This sets how long the video runs, typically in seconds. Shorter clips render faster and loop cleanly. Longer clips provide more narrative room. If you're testing a new prompt, start short, then extend once you're happy with the look. Choose an aspect ratio. This determines the frame shape. Go widescreen for landscape playback, vertical for mobile-first platforms, or square for grid-friendly posts. Match the ratio to where your audience will watch to avoid awkward cropping. When everything looks good, click Submit or simply press Enter. Grok will process your request and generate the output based on your prompt and settings. Give it a moment. Once the result appears, review how the composition, motion, and detail came together and note any tweaks you might try next time. That's the full flow. Visit Grok, open Imagine, craft your prompt, confirm images available, switch to video, set resolution, duration, and aspect ratio, then submit. Have fun creating with Grok Imagine Loop.